Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Tinder. After you download the Tinder mobile app on your phone, log in with Facebook or on your Google. Then grant access to your device location. Once you download and join Tinder, follow these steps to master the app. Set up a profile. When you open Tinder for the first time, you'll want to set up your profile before you begin swiping. Tap the profile icon at the top of the screen to access the profile screen. You'll see a pencil button on your profile screen. Click it to access the edit profile screen and add your profile photo, as well as other photos from your camera roll. When adding photos, you'll be able to select a Smart Photos option that tests all your photos and picks the best one to show first. Then, beneath the Photos area on the Edit Profile screen, you can add details about yourself, including where you work and where you went to school. You can also connect your Instagram account and Spotify account so you can show others more photos and the music you like. You can also designate your gender and choose to hide your age and your distance. Now, adjust your settings. On the profile screen, you can tap the settings button to access the settings screen where you can adjust which gender you'd like to see on Tinder. Your searching distance, the age range you'd like to see on Tinder, whether you want your profile to appear in Tinder's feed, etc. You can also add your anthem, claim your username, and enable other features like super likes, boosts, and Tinder Plus, Tinder Gold, and Tinder Platinum. More on those last few features later. Now, start swiping on individuals. Tap the fire icon at the top or at the bottom of the screen to see a feed of individuals you can swipe left or right. Remember, swiping left is a rejection, while swiping right indicates you're interested. You can also tap the red X button below photos to reject, or you can press the green heart button below photos to indicate you're interested. When you match with someone, Tinder will alert you. If you'd like to learn more about an individual before swiping, tap on his or her profile photo. You will then be able to see their entire profile with details, link accounts, and more. You can also slide through their photos carousel to see more photos. Again, if you like what you see, tap the heart button on their profile or tap the X button on their profile to reject. To indicate you're super interested in someone, tap the blue star button beneath their photos or on their profile. If you've accidentally rejected or liked someone, you can tap the yellow rewind button below photos to reverse your action. To ensure everyone in your area will see your profile when swiping, you can buy boosts. Tap the purple lighting button below photos and then select Boost Me. Buying a boost will make your profile the top profile in your area for 30 minutes, and you should get more matches as a result. Whenever Tinder alerts you to a new match with an individual or group, you will be given the opportunity to start a chat with the match. Keep swiping or tell your friends. Tap Send a Message to access the chat experience where you can send text replies or GIFs from GP. To see a feed of all your chats, simply tap the chat icon at the top of the screen or the below. You can then tap on any individual or group to start or resume your chat with them. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.